You took everything from me.
I don't even know who you are.
You will.
Give it one more, all right? Give it one more. One more little small boy. Just to ensure that we're
Yeah, boy.
we're sitting pretty and life is good. We'll win this 3 times. Let's be fair, 100%. Like a million times over, Reto got this. Because if he's recording this even at remotely the same time that I am, then he has had these full bot lobbies. There's only 3 real players in this lobby too. He would have bodied everybody because he's way better at this game. I think we'll be sitting fine. Let's just get out immediately. There's gonna be a chunk of people that get out with me. That guy just immediately was like, nope, that AK will be mine. I'm gonna land in here, dude.
Oh, hello there.
This guy also appears to be landing in here. It's gonna be a shotgun damn battle, dude. Poison dart gun. You know what? Give me the AK. He's running. He's afraid. No. No. I can't believe it. This man's recording his damn video at the same time. I'm so mad. He dabbed on me. I hate it. Oh, Jesus. I feel like I need to watch him now.